Why is it so hard to lose weight and keep it off? Why do you plateau or rebound? If you find yourself successfully shedding a few pounds only to gain it back quickly, you are not alone. Some studies suggest that 80% to 95% of people who lose weight regain it shortly after. Let's see why this happens. Metabolism is a significant factor in weight loss, weight gain, and weight maintenance. Resting metabolic rate, or RMR, is the number of calories you burn when at rest. It is one of the biggest driving factors behind how fat or lean you are. RMR makes up 75% of our overall metabolism. Higher body weight is associated with higher RMR. When you lose weight, your RMR also decreases. This is because you now have a lesser body weight, and your body doesn't need to burn as many calories when you are at rest. When your calorie demands are reduced, continuing the same calorie consumption may lead to weight regain. The next mechanism behind weight regain lies in our fat cells. When we lose weight, the fat cells shrink. The shrunk fat cells make us more hungry by signaling an increased release of ghrelin, or the hunger hormone, and decreased release of leptin, or the satiety hormone. Weight regain is more profoundly seen when a person achieves short-term weight loss. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, you can gain new fat cells when you rebound fast. Instead of the fat cells enlarging, it splits into two. Now, these new fat cells can enlarge, making you regain weight easily. Rebounding, also called the yo-yo effect, leads to a lot of health complications. The New England Journal of Medicine reports that people with increased weight swings have an increased risk for diabetes. The weight loss-weight gain cycle also increases your risk for heart complications like coronary heart disease and gallstones. Rebounding also leads to an imbalance in the gut bacteria, making you more prone to digestive and mental health issues. Some genetic factors also seem to make people more prone to weight regain. The ADIPOQ gene produces a protein called adiponectin, which is involved in fatty acid breakdown. A study conducted on 180 Spanish volunteers reported that people with a certain type of this gene were more prone to weight regain after going on a low-calorie diet for 8 weeks. Other genes like PPARG, BDNF, and NEGR1 regulate how our bodies store fat, thereby influencing our risk for weight regain. There are a few things that are effective when it comes to weight regain prevention. Adopt a sustainable diet and exercise regime. Before you start a diet, ensure that you can follow it long-term. Crash diets help achieve rapid weight loss. However, crash diets are not safe, and the results are easily reversible. You can instead focus on portion control, cutting down on sugary foods, and eating more whole foods. Regular exercise plays an important role in weight maintenance. It boosts your metabolism as well as helps burn some calories, both of which are vital to keeping those extra pounds off. Sleep deprivation is a major risk factor that interferes with weight maintenance. Poor sleep is associated with lower levels of leptin, the hunger suppression hormone. Sleeping for at least 7 hours a night is necessary for weight control and overall health. A genetic test can provide useful insights to keep those extra pounds off for good. Most ancestry tests provide your DNA information in the form of a text file called the raw DNA data. This data may seem like Greek and Latin to you. We, at Xcode Life, can help you interpret this data. All you have to do is upload your raw data and order a nutrition report. Xcode Life then analyzes your raw data in detail to provide you with comprehensive nutrition analysis, including information on your tendency to regain weight.